Hey, what's up, everybody? Pin here, and this is going to be a video on, avoiding certain modems, combo units in general. This has just been released by Aries yesterday. The Aries Surfboard G36 multi-gig DOCSIS 3.1 Wi-Fi 6 cable modem. So let's take a look at it. I turned the sound off, whatever the case may be, and this is how they get people. So I'm just playing a video on this end so you guys can see what I'm talking about, what it looks like, what an all-in-one unit can look like. Um, they can come in many shapes and sizes. See here, all-in-one device. And these are devices to avoid. Now, just why did I play that? Just why did I do it like that? Okay, even though Aries uh, is a well-known brand, you don't want to get a combo unit from Aries, or if you can avoid it, any combo unit in general, because you're going to run into stability and performance issues. This has been the case on this platform. I've discussed that, and this is pretty much has been the case with other videos online and different threads throughout the internet. Now, um, the modem that I have specifically is not Wi-Fi at all. There's no router features. It's just a modem. It is the Aries S33. Now, this is going to run you about $200 plus tax, and I got extended warranty on mine also. I typed it in. You can do Google, whatever your preferred browser of choice is, and as you can see, there's different listings. You can get this at Best Buy. Um, I recommend getting it at Amazon, Best Buy. You can get it in person, even better. But this isn't a cheap modem by any means. You do have to invest with this, but this is what I have. Now, I'm gonna tell you how I arrived at this point. My broadband internet is Xfinity. That is the only broadband option in my area. So they made it real easy to actually find things. So this is their website here, and this is how you do not get played. This is when the research comes into play and how you can narrow down your selection so that you can make the correct and appropriate decision for yourself and your household. Now, I'm going to pause the video because I have to enter a street address, and I'm going to select my download speed, which would be over a gig in my case, and I'm going to show you how I arrived at the Aries S33. Okay, so after I entered in my street address and I selected my download speed, you can see here there are 7 results found. Up to 1.2 gigs download because Xfinity they provision their internet plans. Okay, so there's only 7 results here. Now, pay attention because this is important. If I go down to show more devices, as you can see here, this is my Aries S33. Now, notice how they have the Aries G36, which is the video that we just seen here. Notice how that's first, the cable modem and Wi-Fi, and then it follows with the Netgear cable modem and Wi-Fi router. Now, combo units are not suggested at all. Um, get your own modem and get your own router to go with it. The Motorola MB8611, I've heard very good things about that. Generally speaking, I've even had Motorola back in the day. You can't go wrong with Motorola. Um, then you got the Netgear modems here, and then you have the S33, which is what I have. So it's going to be according to what speed you have. But let's say if you only had maybe 400, then you may want to upgrade in the future. Then it would be a good idea to invest in a modem that's future proof also. So please keep that in mind as well. But this is how I arrived here. And this is on Cox. This is a different broadband company from Xfinity, but I thought that they had a pretty good support page for my modem, which is the Aries S33. Now, you see here, it's a very simple device. They give you a 2.5 gig port and a 1 gig port for Ethernet, and then you will hook up your Ethernet cable Cat5e and above to the 2.5 gig port from here over to the WAN port on your router, and you plug in your coax here and you power on the device here. So once this gets to a solid blue light, which is what you will see here generally, it's going to be more apparent in person. You just got to call in to your broadband company and then simply give them this HVC MAC address, this ID number, and then they're going to do what they have to do on their end, and then from there, your modem should be online within 10 to 15 minutes. That's generally how it goes. It can be up to 10 to 15 minutes if the person is having a bad day. Whoever you get on the customer service end, they're having a long day or they may not hear you. It's going to finish within 15 minutes tops. I guarantee you. It's not long at all. But this is how you stop these renting fees. This is how you stop getting played by these companies. Just Aries came out with this G36 Wi-Fi 6, and that's going to capture some people's eyes. Oh, Wi-Fi 6, but uh, I would avoid combo units. Just want to keep it a buck with y'all. I know Aries is a trusted brand, but if you want the best, then you have to invest. And it is what it is, guys. So hopefully, for those of you that are new that are discovering this video, you have learned something. Of course, for those of you that follow this channel before, I have touched on this previously, and I do want to make it aware that you can join my Telegram group. Links is in the description. Have an appropriate picture icon if you want to ask further questions, or you can email me if you saw content on the channel in the past, want to book me for a consultation or a session, or have just any general questions like that. Email me, Telegram. I'm available. Thank you for watching, and peace out.